I absolutely love this vent from Hauslane. This is a 950 CFM vent, so it really has extremely high suction. It has a very clean touchscreen. It has steam self-clean, and it's just a lovely, sleek design. Now, in this video, I want to show the installation process. My husband and I installed this on our own. I should say my husband installed it and I occasionally helped, and there are some challenges. Let me get into it. Now, to start off with, obviously we had to take out our old vent. It never worked well. It is a big brand vent, but it just let all the smoke sit in our house and we were setting off fire alarms left and right. And then once we took that out, we were able to set this one up. It is very, very straightforward. It is just this single piece. You have to plug it in and then you'll want to connect the vent to the outside. Simple, right? There is one challenge, and that's that this is exceptionally heavy and you need to screw it up into the shelf that'll be holding it in place. And to hold it up there, to screw it in, is exceptionally hard. So we tried and failed multiple times to actually put the screws up and then have it slide in, as it looks like it has a teardrop design that you could slide it in. That didn't work at all. In the end, we had to do more of a Jenga jigsaw puzzle tower to hold it at the middle and keep it in place, and then it was much more straightforward. So if you are installing this on your own, just know that you are going to need to give it some braces. And with the way it's designed, the best way to brace it is right in the middle. It has a flat spot right there. It's not as good to brace it on each side, as that is where the main fans are, so you're going to be bracing against the fans. And then to really think about what's underneath it. We fortunately have a gas stove top with metal grates, so we weren't risking breaking anything. But if you have an induction or electric stovetop, you're going to want to be really careful about that stovetop while installing this, especially because of how heavy it is. But once you screw it in, plug it in, and make sure the vent goes outside, you're good to go.